Come, child, sit here. I have just cooked and served khichdi to Lord Krishna. You too come and have some khichdi, my child, she said. The kid sat and joyfully ate the tasty khichdi made by Karma Bai. Did you like the khichdi? Shall I serve you more? Karma Bai said. The boy said, No, ma, my tummy is full. I enjoyed eating this tasty khichdi made by you. Ma, can I also come tomorrow and eat this khichdi? The boy asked. Why only tomorrow? You can come and have it daily, Karmabai said. Karmabai didn't know that the kid whom she was feeding daily was Lord Jagannath himself. One day, a Baba came to Karmabai's door and politely said, Karmabai, you must never serve to God before taking bath. You must always take your bath first and do the prayers and serve Lord his bhog. Bhog is a meal served to God's idol. I'll do as you say, Baba, Karmabai said. The next day, she took her bath first, then did all the Lord Jagannath's prayer and then cooked khichdi as bhog. But the kid used to come at his own time and waited till she served him the khichdi and used to say, Ma, please serve me the khichdi. I'm starving from hunger. Karmabai said, It's almost done, my child. And when she served khichdi, he used to eat it in a hurry and go back without washing his hand and mouth. Those same days, a pujari from Lord Jagannath's temple noticed the leftovers of khichdi on Lord Jagannath's mouth. How did this khichdi came to Lord Jagannath's mouth? There were no khichdi bhogs served to Lord Jagannath since weeks. He talked to himself and was very confused by the incident and said, Oh Lord, what is this miracle? At the same night, Lord Jagannath came into the dreams of the pujari and said, There's a lady named Karma Bai who also lives in Jagannath Puri. She makes tasty khichdi for me and I love eating the bhog made by her. But now, a Baba came to her and said to follow all the rules and rituals and then serve the bhog to the god. So it takes much time in this. I get too hungry and wait till she completes her prayer and then I get to eat the khichdi she gives me and I need to live in a hurry without washing my hands and mouth as my devotees are waiting for me in the temple. After listening to the Lord Jagannath's words, the pujari goes in search of that Baba and finds him and explains him all about his dream. The Baba gets scared and feels guilty for what he has done and then returns back to Karmabai and said, Karmabai, you are Lord Krishna's favorite devotee and for you there's no need to do any holy rituals before serving the bhog. So you can continue the way you used to serve Lord Jagannath his bhog before. Karmabai said, Okay Baba, I'll do as you say. Now Karmabai used to make this khichdi daily in the morning and used to serve the kid the lovely khichdi that she made for Lord Jagannath and the kid. Days passed and the child grew and as Karmabai also became older. One day Karmabai passed away as she became too old and went to the place of gods. The same day, Lord Jagannath's statue, the idol in the temple, was crying tears of its eyes. The pujari, the king, and all the people who were present in the temple witnessed this event, and the pujari asked, O Lord Jagannath, what has happened? Why are there tears from your eyes? The king asked, Is there any mistake done by us? The same night, Lord Jagannath came in the dreams of king and the pujari and said, One of my close devotee, Karma Bai, has passed away and went to the heaven. She used to feed me tasty khichdi daily and now there's no one to serve me those tasty khichdis. That's why I can't control my tears. The next day, Pujari ji, I also saw the same dream as you saw. Lord Jagannath's close devotee Karma Bai has passed away to the Lord's place. I want that from now every day Lord Jagannath to be served with khichdi's bhog in the name of Karma by which Lord Jagannath won't be sad and miss her devotee. The king said, Okay, Maharaja, from now we'll do this, the pujari said. And from that day onwards, it is said that on every morning Lord Jagannath is been served with Khichdi's bhog in the name of Karmabai, and till this date it is followed.